Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the video today, we are going to walk through the interface of Power BI Desktop. So without wasting any more time, come let's check it out together. So first part of interface that we will see today is ribbons. So let's check out ribbon together. So ribbon includes 7 parts in Power BI Desktop. So the first part is file, second part is home, third part is insert, fourth part is modeling, fifth part is view, sixth part is optimized, and seventh part is help. So let's break it down into parts and check one by one what each part can help you with. So the very first part of ribbon that we will see is file. So if we go to file, with the help of file, you can open an existing Power BI report, you can save a file, or you can share it. So there are many things that you can do with this file option. Then the second option we have is home option. So home is basically if you want to get data, if you want to get data from particular data set, like if you want to get data from web CSV file that's already existing, if you want to get data from Excel workbook, so you can do that from the home button that you have. If you want to add a text box, if you want to add some extra types of visuals, that you can do from the home button. Then the third type is we have an insert button. So in the insert button, if you want to add some paginated reports, if you want to add some buttons, shapes, images, if you want to add that Q&A, that is question and answer option in Power BI report, that you can do it from this insert button that is part of a ribbon. And then the fourth one that we are seeing is modeling. So in modeling, basically modeling means modeling your data as per you want. So you can create measures. So measures is a type of DAX query that you can create on your own. Then if you want to create some quick measures, if you want to create some calculated columns, if you want to create some new table, that you can do with the help of this modeling option. Then other part that we have is view. So in view, you can decide that what kind of view you want for your report. If you want it to be a mobile layout view, or if you want it to be a desktop view, or how do you want your page to look like. If you want to add some bookmarks, if you want to add some selections, if you want to add some filters, that you can do it from the view option in the ribbon. Option we have is optimize. So in optimize, you can refresh your visuals if you want that at some point the visuals should not refresh. You want to pause the visuals. You can do that with the help of this optimize option. Then if you want to use performance analyzer, if you want to use all slices button, that you can do it from this optimize option. And the last part of ribbon that we have is help. So if you want to check some documentation, or if you want to check some training videos, or if you want to learn something from the guide that is provided with this Power BI desktop, so you can use this help option in the ribbons. The second part of Power BI interface that we will look together will be views. So come let's check it out together. So we will see now how the views look in the Power BI interface. So let's check it out together. So if you see on the leftmost corner, there are 3 icons given. So these 3 icons resembles the 3 types of view that we have in Power BI desktop. So first type of view that we have in Power BI desktop is a report view. So report view will be how your reports look like, how your visuals into the report looks like. So that's what is the report view. Then the second type of view we have is a table view. So table view is the imported data that we have into our Power BI desktop. It will look into the form of table. That is, it will look in the form of rows and columns into this table view. Then the third type of view we have is a model view. So basically in the model view, we will see the information of the columns here. And if you see that there is one type of relationship that is established in between 2 columns of 2 tables. So this is the cardinality. Here you can include that cardinality. You can show that how the links are made in between 2 columns of 2 different tables. So that's what you can do in this model view. So that's it for the views. Let's check out the other type of interface that we have. The next part that we will see will be visualization pane, the data pane, and the filters pane that we have. And we'll also see that how we can rename a Power BI report in Power BI desktop. So come, let's check it out together. So let's check out the panes together. So the first pane that if you can see is a filter pane. So in this filter pane, whatever columns that you have selected for a visual, you can apply any kinds of filters you want on this visuals. Like for example, if I filter out this, I can expand this filter where I have selected countries, and I can select, if I only want the information for country Canada, then I can only select the Canada. So accordingly it will reflect in my report. So that's what this filters pane is for. Then the second type of pane that I have is a visualizations pane. So in this visualization pane, we have all the types of bar charts, all the types of pie charts, and all the types of tables, matrix, slicer, cards that we can use for our reports. So these are all the visualizations we have. Then you can see that there is also an option to format your visuals. So basically, if you have selected charts, you will get an option of what you want on x-axis, you will get an option of what you want on y-axis, what you want as a legend, what you want as small multiples, what are your grid lines, and so many informations you can include here. You can also include the size of the text that you want to include. You can also include the title that you want for your report. So that all that you can see in the visualizations pane. Now the third type of pane that you can see is the data pane. So when we see the data pane is basically, it includes all the column names that you have for the tables, and for one particular visual that you have selected, it will reflect with the help of check boxes that what all are the columns that you have selected for the visual. So that's for the three types of panes that we have in a Power BI desktop interface. Now if you see on the bottom left corner of the screen, there is an option, that is written page 1, but let's say I just want to rename it as page 3. Then I can double click on it and I can rename it as page 3. So this is how I can rename my report. If I want to add a new report in this, so if you see, there is a plus button that I have. So when I click on this plus button, then there will be a new page that will be generated, and here you can create overall report with new types of visuals that you want. So that's it with my video regarding interface of Power BI desktop. So if you liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you all for your time. Bye.